Welcome to NBC Excel Business Solution Episode 1. My name is Kwame Akins, and today we are going to learn how to formulate PAYE in an Excel. So over here I'm having about 300 employee data in my payroll. So when I scroll down, you see that we have a number of staffs, about 300 people. So you can do 1,000, 2,000 by yesterday, or you'll be able to calculate the task for each of them using one formula that you will formulate. So we have the PAYE is calculated on the taxable income. So we have the taxable income, this will be a PAYE, we have our net income over here. Other deductions all have been done. So we have a full cost on the payroll. So you can visit our website, newerbusiness.com, or you can also attend one of our in-person lectures. So the current one will be, we normally do it on Legon City Campus, and the advert is always on the Instagram, on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook page. So you need to follow us in all our social media so that you'll be able to know when the next class starts. So now let's move straight to what we are coming to do. So we are going to use the if statement to formulate the formula. So we say that if, every formula starts with an equal to sign. So we start if, then you open the bracket. So if the if statement have got 3 arguments. So the first argument is the logical test, the second argument is the value when it is true, and the value when the statement is false. So here it is. So this is the taxable income. So this is how it goes. So this is how we start. So we say equal to, if the taxable income is less than or equal to it's less than or equal to the tax band, which is the cumulative taxable income. So one principle that we should always reference the values in the tax table. So we reference it by pressing F4 with the FN key. Then you get the sign in front of the column label and the row label. So then you bring your comma, then you move to the next argument. So value when it is true. So when it is true, then we take the taxable income and we multiply by the tax rate. So we reference it the same way or anchor it. Then we start the new statement. So we press Alt Enter. So if the taxable income is less than or equal to the second band, so you reference it, comma, then value when it is false. Over here, this is how you're going to do the second one. So we take the taxable income, then we subtract the first band. So meaning that we have the next band is 110. So you have the cumulative charge of 512. So if you take the 412 from it to get 110, then we will apply our tax before we add the cumulative tax to it. So here is it. So let me reference it. So then we multiply it by the tax rate, which is 5%, then plus the previous tax charge, which was 0. Then comma, Alt Enter, then we start our if statement again. So if this is less than, or the taxable income is less than or equal to the third tax band, then I'll anchor it, comma, value when it is true, we take this minus the previous tax band, bracket close, multiply by the tax rate, which is 10%, plus the previous tax charge, which is 5.5, comma, Then you move to the next level. Say that value if the taxable income is less than or equal to the next tax band. Then value if it is true, you open your brackets, then you subtract the previous tax band from 8. You close your brackets, then you multiply it by the tax rate. Then plus the previous tax charge. So it will follow the same process. So this is all that you need to know. So I'm just going to copy this and paste it through. So Alt Enter, then I'll paste. So I'll just be changing the referencing number or the row number to 8. Then here will be to 7. Then here will be to 8. And here will be to 7. Because you know that here you started from 5, 6, 7. So here will be 8. 4, 5, 6, 7. So here will be 7. 5, 6, 7, 8. So in that order. So I'll just be changing it down. So Alt Enter to start the next level. So we'll do until we complete the tax table. So here will be 9. Here will be 8. Here will be 9. And here will be 8. Then Alt Enter. Then we do the last one. Here will be 10. Here will be 9. Here will be 10. And this will be 9. Then we are left with the last argument to complete the statement. So in that case, even if the person is taking about 1 million Ghana cedis, yes, so we'll be able to fall into within the tax bracket and it will calculate accurately. So we will copy from this side to this side. Then we will input. So all this one is the value if it is true. So now value when all the statement when it is greater than 100,000. So all this one is when it is less than or equal to, less than or equal to. So when it is greater than 100,000, then what do we do? So this is the formula we put in. So when it is greater than 100,000, so it means that this is the 10 column, and this will be 10, and this one too will be 10. Then we close the brackets. We close the brackets, so you down so we close each statement so until the last one is what black. So the last bracket should be black. Then we are done. You just press enter. Then you drag it through. Then your formula is done. Congratulations. See you next week in our next episode.